Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to assign a domain on Bluehost. So the first thing this we'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as I said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to to assign a domain on Bluehost. And of course, if you want to do that, we'll simply have to click on this domain sections, then click and purchase a domain. Here, you'll have just to enter on this search button, whatever domain you would like to have, or you would like to assign, or you would like to purchase, or you'd like to buy, all of them the same words. So let's say an example, the word is going to be like hello word XD, I don't know, and here they are going to give you like the best domain names that you can get. Of course, there's the .com, the .net, the .org. Of course, if you type like a common word, like let's say an example, just hello, as you can see, a lot of domain names will be taken. And Bluehost, you cannot overtake them, but some hosts will let you or will give you the opportunity, like GoDaddy or something like that. But of course, once you get the domain name that you would like, so as we said, hello word XD. And simply here, we can click on this cards and just go and buy it and it will be good to go. We'll have our domain assigned. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.